Ready to give your kitchen countertops an update without giving up a lot of do-re-mi? Well, come along with me as I make over the countertops in a mobile home that's being renovated on a budget. You want to clean your countertops with something that won't leave a residue. Alcohol is a budget-friendly solution. Roll the paper out the length of the counter and make sure there's enough overhang on all sides. You're going to do all you can to get those bubbles out, but never fear, I do have a solution if there are bubbles in there, and I'll show you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you can get all of my up-to-date videos. Before removing the contact paper backing, you're going to cut the sink basin shape out about 1 inch in. You need to do this for 2 reasons. 1, because it makes it easier to cut later on, and 2, because if you pull the paper backing off, it'll stick to the sink before you can get it all the way down the counter. Let me show you how to repair or fix any issues that you have. Number 1, if you have a bubble, cut a slit in it and just smooth it out. Number 2, if you have a tear, either cut out a small portion or you can just rip it off and just cover it up. Because of the pattern on the paper, it easily blends in. And 3, if you happen to cut it too short, that's okay, because you can easily lay a strip over it and just continue on. Now you have a brand new look